Hello, viewers. Welcome once again to your favorite YouTube channel, More Than Conquerors. Still on our series of building your self confidence. Today, we will be discussing getting the most from creative imagery. Getting the most from creative imagery. To reiterate, creative imagery is the process of consciously creating a mental image or impression as a means of influencing the all important subconscious mind. This section will help you get the most out of these techniques. Techniques for creative imagery are best used when the body is relaxed and the mind is calm. They are also effective whenever you feel naturally dreaming, such as first thing in the morning, last thing at night, or when daydreaming, because the mind is in a natural state of heightened awareness at these times. Fantasizing is good for you. Do it often. Fantasize about all the things you want out of life, places to visit, people you would like to meet, acquiring new skills, and being the person you would like to be. Let your imagination run wild. There's this popular saying by Vincent van Gogh. It said, "First I dream my painting, then I paint my dream." It said, "First I dream my painting, then I paint my dream." That's the power of the subconscious mind. He has already absorbed it into his mind. Then he paints the picture which he already absorbed into his mind. Be clear on what you would like to change or reinforce before you start. And choose feelings and images that symbolize your goal. For example, what does being confident mean to you? What do confident people look like? How do they move and speak? What do they do that makes them different from the rest? Now get your mind and body into a calm and relaxed state and use all 5 senses as much as possible to imagine what you want as already yours, as if it's happening right now and working out perfectly. Get your mind and your body into a calm and relaxed state. Use all your 5 senses. Now, as much as possible, imagine what you want as already yours. See it as if it's yours, or see it as it's yours already. See it as it's happening right now and working out properly. And working out perfectly. For example, if you're rehearsing to go on stage, imagine you're looking out at the audience, enjoying the applause. Once you have imprinted this, your subconscious will do everything it can to make it come true for you. Place the images in the center of your mental screen. See everything in 3 dimensions using color, brightness, and movement. Hear the sounds, smell the smells with vivid clarity, and bring as much feeling into it as you can. Remember, it is always more important to feel the desire coming true than to get the precise details of the visualization clear. Remember, it is always more important to feel the desire coming true than to get the precise details of the visualization clear. Be gentle with yourself when using creative imagery, and don't force it. Too much effort is self-defeating. Just allow the sounds, images, and sensation to materialize. Reinforce creative imagery with auto-suggestion. This is the use of positive self-talk and affirmation when the subconscious is relaxed and receptive. Here is a powerful auto-suggestion technique. Either memorize this word or record them on your phone or whatsoever recorder you have, and repeat them or listen to them every night just before you go to sleep. And when you wake up in the morning, say the words quietly to yourself as you listen. I am a very confident person. You say I and you call your name. My name is David, so I would say, I, David, am a very confident person. You, David, you are a very confident person. David is a very confident person. Just record this few lines of word and keep listening to it every night, and every morning listen to it and say to yourself, I, David, I am a very confident person. You, David, you're a very confident person. David, you are a very confident person. Practice mental rehearsal. If you know you're going to face a difficult challenge, spend a few minutes each day imagining yourself there, thinking and acting confidently. Imagine it as if it were already happening and working out perfectly. The more you mentally rehearse, the more you will be at your best and undo it with ease when the time comes. Use creative imagery frequently. Short daily sections are more effective than lengthy but infrequent ones. If you don't see immediate results, be patient. Don't give up. You may be dissolving emotional blockage that have been there for years. Now let's look at the story of a young lady. She had applied to take a motorcycle test, and although she was a competent car driver and felt confident she could ride a motorcycle perfectly well, she was terrified of the actual test. On previous occasions, she had gone to pieces on the day. I taught her to enter a deeply relaxed state and visualize herself taking the test with total confidence. She found it easy to make mental pictures and had no problem imagining herself looking over the handlebars, feeling the vibration through the seats of her pants, hearing the sound of the engine, smelling the oil and exhaust fumes. She also used auto-suggestion. I am calm, confident, and in control. Then she visualized the examiner congratulating her on her success. She conjured up feelings of pride, happiness, and excitement as he handed her the pass slip. Finally, she visualized herself arriving home to an ecstatic welcome from her husband, who took her out for a celebration meal. She practiced every day. 2 weeks later, I went on holiday. On my return, I found a postcard on the mat. It said in gold lettering, I was calm, I was confident, I was in control, and I passed. Can't believe how well it worked. Many thanks. So it is time for you to put the power of creative imagery into action. There is nothing you cannot achieve when you put the power of creative imagery into action. Remember, whatsoever your mind conceive and believe, you would achieve it. So begin to imagine, play those pictures in your head, fantasize, see yourself accomplishing those goals, see yourself accomplishing those tasks that you are about to undergo. See yourself victorious in them. See yourself celebrating. Then you will see it turning out the way you visualize it. Put it to work today and see wonders work out. Thank you for watching. Once again, it's your favorite channel, Modern Conquerors. Kindly click on the subscribe button and also click on the notification button beside the subscribe button. I am talking about the bell like button beside the subscribe button. Click on that button so you can get notified of every video that comes up on this channel weekly. Also, don't forget to like and share with your friends. Also, drop a comment on the comment box. I would really love to hear from you. I would really love to hear your experience. I would really know how creative imagery worked out for you. Kindly drop your comments on how it worked out for you, your own experience. I would love to learn one or two things from you. Also, there would be one or two viewers that would also learn one or two things from your comments. Kindly leave a comment on the comment box. And thank you for watching. See you soon. Take care. Yeah.